Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally here with the most requested video on my Instagram specifically. Now I'm sharing with you my quickest curling technique without heat. All you have to do is divide your hair into two sections and then you have to dampen each of the section one by one, and your hair should be like 20-25% damp, not more than that. And make sure that you're not doing this right after washing your hair because it's not gonna work. The curls will never hold up. So yeah, you have to use these rollers, bendy rollers, famously known as. These are easily available on Amazon and are very cheap. They have foam inside, so you can basically sleep over them and it won't hurt or irritate. Now once that's done, you have to twist the section and then wrap it around the roller, and then you have to roll it up till you reach your ear level and you cannot roll it up anymore. And once that's done, you have to basically just bend the ends of the roller to secure it, and it will stay like that throughout the night even while you are sleeping. If you think that it's not secure enough, you can use a rubber band as well, but my rollers are new and I know that they'll hold up, so I don't have to use a rubber band right now. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other section as well. Just damp it, twist it, wrap it around the roller, and then roll it up till your ear level, and then bend the ends of the roller to secure it. That's pretty much it that you have to do. I have naturally thin hair, so two sections work perfectly fine for me. But you have really thick hair, you might want to make more sections to get really defined curls. If you want loose waves, I think two sections will work perfectly fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you feel that your hair are not damp enough, you can spray extra water over the roll, and in the morning just open the rollers and you'll have beautiful curls. I really didn't have time to glam up and shoot the rest of the video, so I just did it like that, and it's okay, you guys are family, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, this is how the curl looks like, and then I'll just open it up into smaller sections as well. I'll just show you how it looks. So yeah guys, I've shared my secret with you and I hope you make the most of it. Because festive season is right around the corner, I thought this would be the best time to do this as well. And yeah, this is actually one of the most used technique to curl my hair, and it's amazing. I just love this one, and I hope you enjoyed it too, and you will be recreating this as well. And yeah, that was all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video, like and comment down below which video you want me to do next, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, bye, take care, I love you guys so much.